Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to allow Messenger to access your photos that you have created, or now you want to send it with your friends or like share it with your friends. So I will show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and then go to the chats, and you can see over here a picture icon. Simply click on that and then you will see over here access your photos and videos. You can simply do is click on that and go to your settings. They will pop ups on your settings, and the second step is go back and go to your phone settings, and then scroll all the way up and go to apps. And then over here you have to simply search for the Messenger, so you have to simply scroll up. You can see over here messages or Messenger. Simply click on Messenger and then you will pop ups in this page, and you will see over here bunch of options. Over here you will see the third option called photos. Simply click on that, and then you will see over here limited access, none, or like full access of your photos. So simply click on full access, or like you can simply give it to limited access, that you will select the pictures that you want to give the access, and simply you can select it. And for me, I want to give them full access. So as you can see, I have given to it full access, and whenever I comes in my Messenger, when I want to send a picture, like you can see over here, my pictures are over here. So that's how you can give the access to your Messenger. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.